traffic light junction, please turn left. Too early. What is a good distance to apply a signal?
100 yards.
70, 80 yard or
Okay.
9-8 car length. Are you going to this road or a traffic light?
Traffic light.
Hashtag observation awareness, okay?
Okay.
So you can plan better. Where is your right foot when you're turning into this road?
On the brake.
Brake or gas?
Brake.
And what gear you are in?
3.
So when we approaching, what routine do we follow?
We need to go into gear 2.
Okay, to mirror signal, position, speed. Okay, let's fix this one for now. Next road, which is coming up now, opposite this black car, turn right, please.
Okay.
Good, that's very good. I give you instruction, you check the mirror, yeah?
Yeah.
And turn left, please. Beautiful, very nice. Nice, that's definitely good.